one sutra ekadikena purva sutra, ekadikena purva. This is one sutra among the 16 sutras in Vedic mathematics, and by using this sutra we can find the decimal form of a fractional number. Which type of fractional number? Vulgar fraction. We have to take one vulgar fraction that ends with, the denominator ends with 9. For example, 1 by 19 I am taking. 1 by 19 is a vulgar fraction and the denominator ends with 9. We know very well that 19, that means the denominator is a prime number. Okay, if we divide 1 by a prime number, we can get a non-terminating recurring decimal. And in this recurring part, how many digits will come? 19 is there in the denominator and end with 9. That's why 19 minus 1, 18 digits will come. 18 digits, that means the group of 18 digits are repeating in this decimal number. Once you see here, this is current method. What we are doing in the current situation, we have to do this division. That means 1 divided by 19. This 1 divided by 19, if you do like this, 19.00 we have to keep, and 1 is not going in 19 table, that's why 1900, and next to 2 zeros we bring down 1000. Okay, then we get here actually 0.05. 1900 again, one more zero bring down, 19 5 are 95. Like this, in this process if you do, next we can get these digits. Once you see after point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 digits we got in this. After 18 digits, you see a last 19 1 19 and 20 minus 19 1. Okay, we got 1. Again bring down 0 and then 19 0 again repeating from here to here again. That means in this decimal, in the decimal form of 1 by 19, the number of digits, 18 number of digits are repeating. Okay, that's why this decimal form is called as non-terminating recurring decimal. Here, the number of how many number of digits are repeating? 18 number of digits are repeating. That 18 we have 19 minus 1. If you do 19 minus 1, 18. 18 number of digits are repeating in this. But this current way, in this current way, if you do this division, we can get more time. But in one step only, in one line only, we can write this answer by using Vedic mathematics. Once you see this sutra, Ekadikena Purva Sutra, means in English by one more than the previous one. By one more than the previous one. You see here by. By means what in English? By means we can use for multiplication and also division. For example, multiply 5 by 3 or divide 8 by 2. Here in two cases we are using by. So in two cases we can use this by. Okay, that's why the answer of 1 by 19 we can get in two ways. One thing is by multiplication and another thing is, the second method is by division method. We have to discuss about these two methods now. Okay, next one more than the previous. You see here this denominator ends with 9. The previous number of this 9, that means in the denominator the previous of and the last digit is 1. This is previous now. And also one more than this number, that is 1 plus 1, it is equal to 2. Okay. And now I am writing the answer 1 by 19. We have to use this two, and the denominator is here numerator is 1. Okay, the numerator is 1. This numerator write as this 1 in this answer as the last digit. Numerator write as this here 1. And 1 more than the previous is 2. This 2. You take 2 and you multiply this one. 2 1 ja 2. Right here. Again 2 2 ja this 2 into this 2. 2 2 ja 4. Next 2 4 ja 8. 2 8 ja 16. Right? 6 1 carry. 16 came. 2 8 ja 16. 6 you write and carry 1. Okay. Again 2 6 ja 12 plus 1 13. 3 you write and carry 1. Again 2 3 ja 6 plus 1. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7. And next 2 7 ja 14. 4 you write, you carry 1. Okay. Next 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. Write 9. Next 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18 and write 1 carry. 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17. You write 1 carry. Next 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15 and write 1 carry. 2 5 ja 10 plus 1 11 and carry 1. Okay, next 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Next 2 3 ja 6. 2 6 ja 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Okay, 2 2 ja 2 6 ja 12 and 1 carry. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 and 2 5 ja 10 and the 0 only you write and next to 0 point. This is the last digit. You see here 0 5 2 0 5 2 and 6 3 1 5 7. Same answer will come. Okay, this is first method. By multiplication. The second method by division for the same question. 1 by 19. 1 by 19. Okay, here also we have to take one more than the previous, that is 2 only. And now the numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. You divide this numerator by 2. 2 0 is 0 and 1 remainder. 2 0 is 0 and 1 remainder. So you keep here 0 point and this quotient you should write here 0 and this remainder you write as the prefix for this 0. This 0 prefix. Okay, this is important. And now you consider this number is 10. 1 0 10 and you divide this 10 by 2. Then quotient will become 5. So 5 you write here. Okay, there is no remainder, so we need not to write any prefix here. 0 we need not to write any prefix here. Okay, again you divide 5 by 2. How much we can get? 2 2 ja 4 and 1 remainder. You write prefix. Okay, now it is 12. 1 2 12. Okay, you divide this 12, then we can get 6. There is no remainder. We need not to write any prefix here. Again now 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. There is no remainder. Okay, you divide this 3 by 2 again. 2 1 ja 2 and 1 remainder. 1 you write as the prefix. Now the number is 11. 1 1 11. The number is 11. You divide 11 by 2. Okay, 2 5 are 10 and the remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Now this number is 15, 1 5, 15. This 15 divided by 2, then quotient is 7 and 1 remainder. Again this number is 17, 1 7, 17. So 2 8 are 7, 2 8 are 16 and 1 remainder. Now this number is 18. 2 9 are 18. 2 9 are 18. So there is no remainder. We need not to write any prefix for this 9. Again you divide 9 by 2. 2 4 are 8 and 1 prefix. Remainder is 1. 1 you write as the prefix for 4. Now the number is 14. So 2 7 are 14. 2 7 are 14. There is no remainder. Need not to write any prefix for this. Again 2 3 are 6 and 1 remainder. 1 3. 13 is the number. You divide 13 by 2. 2 6 are 13 and 1 remainder. You write as the prefix. And now this number is 16. 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. There is no remainder. We need not write any prefix. Okay. So 2 4 are 8 now. There is no remainder. We need not write any prefix. 2 2 are 1. Okay. And next to 2 1 are 2. Okay. Still here we got 18 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 number. That's why this division over. From here to here, this group of digits, 18 group of digits are repeating. Again, from here start. 0, 1. You see again. You divide 1. So quotient is 0 will come. And prefix 1 will come. 1, 0. 2, 5, 10. Again, will repeat from here to here. Okay. This is the answer. You see here, by this current method we have to do this division. It is very difficulty and it is time consumption. And if you take this sutra, that means Ekadina Purva Sutra, then we can get in 2 methods we can get the answer easily. In 1 row only be written, in 1 line only be written. Okay. This is the useful of Vedic mathematics sutras. Okay, thank you everyone. In the next video, we can get more sutras.